So new this year, Apple updated one of their most popular laptops, and that is the brand new MacBook Air. And now it's rocking the most powerful chipset available, the M2. Then in addition to that, we also received new color choices to choose from. The one we have here is the brand new Midnight. And oh my god, it definitely does look stunning. And it doesn't end there, as it does have some impressive specs, as it's able to achieve up to 18 hours under a single charge. We received improvements in the camera, in its speakers, and it now has the notch that we've seen on the MacBook Pro, which allows us to have thinner bezels and just gives us overall more screen real estate. So the design takes inspirational keys from what we've seen with the brand new MacBook Pro, as it does have MagSafe capabilities, so you could just charge it this way, but you could still utilize the USB-C ports on the side to charge it. The benefit with the MagSafe is not only does it actually show you the LED stats of the current battery life without waking up the display, but if somebody trips over it, it just easily disattaches so your device doesn't go down on the floor with it. So it has some nice pros right there. The magnets are extremely powerful as well. It does require some force to really disattach. And from a far distance, the newly designed look is not bad. It looks extremely modern. I love it, especially the round edges and such. You do have all the important I/O ports right here, minus a USB-A port, but you can always settle with a nice dongle. Highly recommend checking out this one because this one actually does support internal expandable storage. I'll have it linked to that video that I review right over there, or click on the video description down below. But back to the machine. Now the only con to the midnight color of thing that I noticed, it is prone to receive smudges here and there, so fingerprints are a lot more noticeable on the midnight color, but regardless, it's really easy to wipe off. Now, some people may say the notch is kind of ridiculous, it's dumb, it's unnecessary, it takes a massive chunk of the display. Apple actually utilized the notch so well that it actually blends in really well with the task bar right here above. So you really don't notice it when you're actually working. So the two new colors that the MacBook Air now comes available with is the new Starlight and Midnight color, which doesn't look that bad. And here's a comparison against the midnight color on the Apple Watch. They're not too far apart. Honestly, this is a personal thought. I think midnight is actually the way to go. It gives me like 2007 plastic body MacBook vibes, with black was the actual choice option. Now the MagSafe cable that I was recently featuring does actually match the body of the MacBook Air. So if you get the Starlight color, you'll see the same result. Same goes for the other bodies, just colors to choose from. So unlike the MacBook Pro, there's no SD card reader, unfortunately. You just get two Thunderbolt USB-C ports and a headphone jack, unfortunately. But you still need to rely on that dongle if you need additional ports. But to be honest, to most, this is all anybody will need, especially with nowadays, modern electronics now just solely rely on USB-C connection. Now let's go ahead and talk about the power that this machine is able to deliver. It is using the latest M2 chipset, which from many other Geekbench testers and stuff like that, its numbers are extremely impressive. Now, yes, you can edit a 4K video off this device. And yes, if you are a power-hungry user in terms of using Photoshop, Lightroom and such, you'll find this machine more than capable. So take my word for it, it's a beefy machine, it's powerful. For not just daily tasks and personal use, it's more than capable. So if later on down the line you feel like learning a new skill in terms of editing softwares and such, this is a good machine to get started. And if you ever find yourself working in an outdoor environment, that's changed, I know. This new display is actually 20% brighter than the previous MacBook Air. So if you're working outside for the most part, you'll find the display still extremely visible, even in broad daylight. So 1080p FaceTime camera is indeed included on this machine, something Apple has been lacking in the past. This one supports full high definition. Now the Magic Keyboard typing experience is really good. It's honestly hard to tell between the MacBook Pro and the MacBook Air. Quality-wise, it's identical, which I'm not complaining. Perfect for speed typers. I'm pretty sure you're gonna like it. And with Touch ID, it makes it super convenient locking and unlocking your device quickly and satisfying whenever it's on lock. Same does apply whenever you're purchasing something with Safari with Apple Pay. But I'm sure many others will also agree. I'm pretty sure we all wish that Face ID was indeed available. But I guess beggars can't be choosers. I'm just glad there's Touch ID now. All in all, just like previous generation of MacBook Airs, this is an amazing machine. If you're looking to upgrade or looking to buy your first Mac, for college use, daily use, maybe a little bit of photo editing and stuff like this. This is a perfect machine to start off with. Most MacBook Air owners usually hold on to their machines for 5+ years before they upgrade. If you're within that 5-year period and you're looking to upgrade your machine, this one is definitely the one you want to go ahead and consider. As they've been proven in the past to be a very powerful machine, just make sure you spec out your storage capacity to the storage capacity that you require. Because for the price, the value, you're getting a top of the line powerful machine, which makes the MacBook Air the best value MacBook you could purchase right now in today's market. Extremely portable, perfect for those mobile setup enthusiasts like I am. And those digital ports, if you need a larger display, you can always plug it into an external display. Extremely easy when needed. And if you have an iPad, you can always use sidecar as well. Oh no, not a bad machine. The new redesigned body looks extremely nice and modern. I'm sure many will definitely enjoy and have no regrets. So let me know in the comment section, what do you think about the latest generation MacBook Air? If you actually went ahead and purchased one for yourself, feel free to comment down below and share with us your experience. And if you're upgrading, what machine did you upgrade from? Or if this is your first Mac, please share those stories in the comment section. Aside from that, thank you so much for watching. If you'd like to watch more, check out this video over here as I cover a bunch of interesting accessories you may want to get for your MacBook Air. And in that video over there, that's just a video YouTube is recommending specifically for you. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, and I'll catch you all in the next one. See ya.